Training Cum Workshop. How did the 3-day training enhance your understanding of Rocksensor's products and their industrial applications?
Hello, I am Amit Kumar from Automatic Electric Co. Bhubaneswar. Basically our company deals with instruments, PLC, SCADA and HMI. I attended the 3-day training of Rocksensor here at Noida, and it was really good. The 3-day training at Rocksensor workspace was really good, and which gave us in-depth knowledge of their product and their working, their principles and theoretical plus practical, which we can use in practical fields as well as recommending product to customers. So it was very good and knowledge gaining for us.
What feature of Rocksensor's transmitters impressed you most during the training?
Flow. I liked electromagnetic flow meter the most because this product has wide range of capabilities and variations, like the inner lining material can be of different material according to medium. Another feature which was most interesting was that it can detect empty pipe, which is very helpful at practical field.
How will you apply the knowledge gained from the training to enhance customer support and sales?
After attending 3 days training here at Rocksensor, I myself feel much more confident in approaching my customer regarding new products, as I have gained in-depth knowledge about different types of products here, as well as after having hands-on training on different type of instruments here, I am pretty more confident in handling those instruments, calibrating them, fault finding, etc.
Which new product did you find the most impressive?
Among all the new launched product by Rocksensor, I like the radar flow meter the most because it has good facilities actually. It can measure the surface velocity and the level of any river or canal, which will be practically helpful at the time of any flood or any natural calamities. It will help us to identify the velocity as well as the level, which will enable us to take precautions beforehand in terms of safety of people as well as the dam or canal.
Would you consider recommending Rocksensor's products?
I will highly recommend Rocksensor products to new customers because of their product quality, service from technical staff, timely response at the time of fault, and good delivery time.